Flicked away and gone. You mentioned...
Oh, what bold. Pace off again. Mohamed Wazeem underneath it, takes the catch. Good piece of bowling. Oh, swung back in. Fingers gone up, he's got 2 and 2. What a delivery from the right arm of Abbas. Oh, that's a game changer.
20. Excellent, excellent delivery. Just pitching, nipping in, getting him right in the middle of those stumps.
Yes, and gone! There goes the first hat-trick of GT20, Season 3. Abbas Afridi, you little beauty, you're a star. What a delivery.
This is just unbelievable stuff. Absolutely unbelievable. The perfect delivery. First to Van der Dussen, the captain, and the next delivery was even better. You knew as a left-hander he can take the ball away, and that was an excellent line, excellent length. Batsman just going for it and getting an outside edge.
That's it high, straight up. Abbas Afridi wants to get involved in the catch, has been called out. Penrith's taken the catch easily, absolutely easily. And that is 5 wickets now for Abbas Afridi. What a superb performance he's had. 5 for 25.
What a day he's having with the ball. With that 5 wickets, he's also got a hat-trick. And he's affected the game.